Hello, welcome to our tutorial. In this part, we will talk about capturing leads, which is the information the viewer is asked to enter within the player for you to use in your marketing strategies. Here we have the option to activate or deactivate leads. We provide the viewer the option to ignore this information box or not. If you choose to leave this option disabled, he won't be able to skip this part and watch the rest of the content without first entering the requested information. We ask for the viewer's name, email address, and phone number here. We also give the option of timing, which is how many seconds after the video starts before the text box appears requesting information. And here we also provide customization of the leads button color. And slightly above, we have the results option. Here, the results of the information entered by viewers will appear.